I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Foxy Petite Wig from the Wille Hair Power collection. This is a lovely shorter style that is super low maintenance and easy to throw on. She's got great texture running through her, a lovely bit of volume at the top. It's just really easy to throw on and go for a nice low maintenance look. So I'm going to flip this wig inside out so that we can take a closer look at the cap construction. So across the front here you can see a lovely extended lace front. This means that it's going to look as if that hair is growing straight out of your scalp across the forehead. On the crown here we've got a closed material section which gives a lovely bit of volume for a lift at the top of your head. Then round the back we've got all this open wefting which is so stretchy and breathable so that the air can keep flowing and keep you nice and comfortable all day long. This is a petite size cap, so if you've got a head circumference ranging from about 51 centimeters to 54 centimeters, this is a perfect wig for you. You do have these little velcro adjusters as well so that you can make the cap fit you perfectly. We've also got our little ear tabs here which have the little metal stays in them so that your wig stays in place all day long. I'm going to pop a little wig cap on so that I can show you how the Foxy Petite Wig looks when it's on. So just because my hair is a wee bit longer at the moment, I've popped on a little wig cap to keep it all tucked out of the way, but it's completely up to you whether you do that or you just skip that step and pop the wig straight on. So I'm going to pop the Foxy Petite Wig on just now. So I'm just going to line that lace front up with the front of my head, pull her down to the nape of my neck, and then taking these ear tabs, I'm going to adjust them so they're sitting on my temples, and I'm going to make sure that that hairline is about four fingers width away from my eyebrows. So here we go. This is the Foxy Petite Wig. This is in the shade Chocolate Mix, which is a lovely sort of multi-dimensional brunette shade. She has all this great texture and volume at the top here, which is just a lovely sort of easy to go, you can wear it straight from the box kind of style. This wig is available in a bunch of different colours and I've got a couple of them here to show you, so I'm going to swap into the next shade so that we can take a look. And this is the shade Snow Mix, which is a lovely sort of snowy white colour, nice and cool toned and super natural. And the final shade I've got to show you is Champagne Mix, which is a lovely sort of lighter blonde. Although none of these shades have roots, this wig is available in a whole bunch of different shades, including a lot of rooted shades, which will give you a kind of deeper colour at the root, making it look as if your hair is slightly grown out, very natural. So at the fringe here we've got 7.8 centimeters of length. We've got about 9 centimeters from the crown and 4.8 centimeters from the nape. So it's a lovely tapered style that really lends itself to having so much volume at the top and giving that really textured look. I'm going to do a little spin so you can see how she looks from every different angle. Really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Foxy wig. As you can see, she is just such an easy to wear, shorter, elegant style. I had it sitting perfectly in about 30 seconds, so you really can just chuck this wig on straight out of the box, ready to go. If you wanted to wear that fringe pushed back a wee bit more, that's something you could absolutely do. You can just kind of play around with it and get her sitting exactly how you want. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel, and head on over and check out our other wig review videos that we've been making for you all. You can find Judy Plum across all social medias, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to head on over to the Judy Plum website to check out all the range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.